So my next question for Maisha now. What are template literal strings in JavaScript, and how do they differ from regular strings?
Okay, template literal is really important in JavaScript because template literal strings allows embedding expression and multi-line strings using backtick. Unlike regular string that we use single or double quotes, it's different that we use backticks here. So in a recent project, automation project mainly, template literal I have used template literals and template literal string were used for constructing dynamic API request URLs and formatting error message in test assertion. This approach mainly improved code readability, and embedding variables directly within strings. Reducing the need for concatenation and enhancing clarity in asynchronous test flow. And it streamlined and maintenance and ensure efficient handling of API interaction and validation.
Got it. Okay.